Today's featured car of the day is a 1973 Plymouth Duster with a 340 engine. Also has an added six-pack, six-barrel carburetor setup added to it by the owner. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a great looking car. He did a nice job on it. I don't know if it started as a 340 car or if he put a 340 with the six-pack into it. But either way, it came out really nice and had a real good look to it. Had the custom-made hood scoop added to it, and that gave it a nice special touch. You could see the orange six-pack setup underneath the hood there, and had some nice wheels on it. I think he did some drag racing in this one, if I remember correctly. But it was definitely a nice car. And this was the first year for the body style change for the Duster. 1970, 71, and 72 all kind of looked the same for the most part. And then 1973, 74, 75, and 76 also looked the same for the most part. And in 74, they went to the 360 engine as the big engine for them. 1973 was the last year you could get the 340. That was the last year that Chrysler made it. So this was definitely a nice car and definitely something to keep an eye out for because you can usually get a better deal on these A-bodies than a lot of the other cars. So gives you a nice base to work with. And with a 340 engine, those put out plenty of power, especially the 1970 with the six-pack that they used in the AA Arcuda and the Challenger TA. Those dynoed at about 350 horsepower out of a 340. So they definitely were putting out plenty of power. Plus the car is nice and lightweight. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.